Good morning, guys. Today we are going to start the chapter number 5, and the chapter number 5 is separation of substances. Let's start the chapter. Now, the first topic is pure substances, right? Okay, suppose you have the sugar cubes with you, right? You have the sugar cubes with you, and you get the smaller pieces of the sugar. And if you break it, if you further break it, then you can get the smaller pieces. And if you further want to divide that pieces, then also you can do it. Then if you continue doing this, then you will get you will keep getting smaller and smaller particle of the sugar. Thus a sugar cube is made up of only one kind of particle, है ना? Such a substance that is made of only one kind of the particles, that or those substances, that substance is called the pure substance. Example of pure substance: distilled water, it is pure. Then salt, also pure. Sugar cubes, also the example of the pure substances. The first is the, you can see in the first picture, it is I think it is salt. Yes, it is the salt. They are made up of the similar kind of the particle, that's why they are called pure. This is the salt is an example of the pure substance. Now see this also, distilled water. The formula of water is H2O. Because this water is have the molecules of H2O, that's why it is also pure substances. Do not have any type of the minerals in it. Without any mixing, कोई भी चीज़ ऐसे mix नहीं है. Tap water में minerals mix होते हैं, that's why that is not the pure form, but distilled water is the pure form, right? And sugar cubes, I told you, these are also the pure cubes, or we can say this is the pure substance. Sugar is also an example of the pure substance, right? Now next is impure substances, or they are also called mixture. The substances which are impure, they are also called mixture. Now suppose you are going to make the lemonade. Okay, you mix together water. You will take 1 glass of water, then उसमें आप क्या डालोगे? You will take water, then add sugar in it, and then lemon juice, and you have to add the lemon juice in it. Then you will stir it, then the lemonade is prepared. Then it contains 3 different kind of the particle. One, water molecules. Then second, क्या क्या था इसमें? First water molecule था. Then second is sugar, and third is the lemon juice. 3 type of particles are there. That's why it is called a mixture. Such a substance that is obtained by mixing more than one kind of the particle, they are called the mixture, right? Okay, mixtures are everywhere around us. In fact, most substances around us are the mixture. Then see, some of the examples are given. The first, lemonade, I told you. Then next is air. Air is a mixture of different gases. As the किस का mixture होता है, it may be the oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, right? And so many various water vapors, dust particles, and other gases may also present in it. Then it is a mixture. The next is the face cream. It is a mixture of the oil, water, and several chemicals. The next is soil. Soil is made up of many substances such as the air. Soil में air भी होती है, water, pebbles, and other dead remains of the insect and plants. The next is the aerated drink. Aerated drinks means carbonated drinks. It is a mixture of the water होता है, उसमें sugar होता है, and carbon dioxide is also present, and some flavor will be also added in it, है ना? It is also added in it. वो add किया जाता है उसमें, ठीक है? Then these all are the example of mixture. Okay. Now you can see the first soil I told you. क्या क्या हो सकता है इसमें? It will contain the pebbles, right? Pebbles will also be there, water, air, and humus that remains of the plant and animals. Then aerated drink, ये है ना, Sprite, Coca-Cola, different type of the aerated drinks are there. It is a mixture of क्या क्या था? Water, then flavor, color, and the sugar will also be there, and the carbon dioxide. Air is, it is a mixture of so many gases, I told you. Okay, now next is the element. The next term is element. Then what do you mean by the element? Elements are the substance, it means the substances which are pure, or we can say a substance made up of the identical particle. It means which are made up of same particles of one material, they are called the element. As the sodium, potassium, hydrogen, nitrogen, all these are called elements. ठीक है, क्योंकि ये प्योर हैं और एक ही टाइप के पार्टिकल से बने हुए होते हैं, ये क्या कहलाते हैं? एलिमेंट्स. वन मोर टर्म इज देयर, दैट इज कॉल्ड कंपाउंड. What is compound? Elements are pure, but compounds uh, are the result of the chemical combination of two or more elements together. दो या दो से ज़्यादा एलिमेंट आपस में मिक्स होते हैं इन अ फिक्स रेशियो दैन दे फॉर्म द कंपाउंड. द एग्जाम्पल इज गिवन टू NaCl. NaCl इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ सॉल्ट, कॉमन सॉल्ट, टेबल सॉल्ट जिसे कहते हैं, NaCl. It is a combination of sodium and chlorine, chlorine, है ना. Then next one more example is also there, H2, two hydrogen atom plus one oxygen atom, it joins together and form the compound. Then water is a compound. And one more example, CO2, it is also combination of one carbon atom plus two oxygen molecule, right, or sorry, oxygen atoms. Then it forms a CO2, है ना. अब फिक्स रेशो इज देयर, क्या C कितना है 1 और O कितना है 2, यानी कि 1:2 के रेशियो में है. सेम इन टू द H2 ऑल्सो, 2 हाइड्रोजन एटम एंड 1 ऑक्सीजन एटम, इट मीन्स द रेशियो ऑफ हाइड्रोजन and oxygen is 2:1. और इन अ फिक्स रेशियो they combine together, right? And then the chemical combination of two or more element in a fixed ratio is called compound. Is it okay?